Grab the carrier by the waistband. Slide the buckle under the safety rubber, then fasten securely. Rotate the body panel forward and slightly tighten the strap. Hold your baby against your chest and adjust the edges of the body panel under your baby's knees. Hold your baby securely with one hand while smoothing the carrier up along their back to the neckline with the other hand. Place the straps symmetrically over your shoulders. Cross the straps behind your back. Grasp the opposite side straps and pull them sideways for a firm hold, then bring them forward. Guide the straps under the baby's legs and make a double knot at the front. If the straps are too long, tie an extra knot at the back. You can then adjust the height of the body panel. Check that the fabric smoothly covers your baby's back. You're all set.